Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Smart Select, a screen capture tool on your Samsung device running One UI 7.0. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, there's a tool from your Edge panel to capture specific parts of your screen. You can extract text or even create GIFs out of it. So let me show you how to do this. So here you need to go ahead and turn on your Edge panel, which is right here. If you don't see it, you can go ahead and turn this on from your settings, display, and then Edge panel. Make sure apps are enabled so you can see that Smart Capture. So this is the Smart Capture tool which we're going to use. Tap on this. And now this will basically let you select anything you want to capture. So let's just say I want to capture these icon trays here. So here I can go ahead and extract text out of it. I can even link it to a map. I can use my drawing assist. If I tap on the three dots, I can use generative edit. I can set it as a wallpaper for myself. I can even create a GIF out of it. Down below here, you can go ahead and crop. You can pin it, you can copy it, you can share this, or you can go ahead and download this. So I've downloaded it in my gallery. So as you can see, this is what I've captured here. So this is perfect for saving memes, grabbing receipts, or copying text from an image. So there you go guys, that is how to use a Smart Select screen capture tool on your Samsung device running One UI 7.0.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.